You serious, Darren? You don't want to play that game with me, do you?
I'm not.
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: Butte, Colusa, and Glenn. The National Weather Service in Sacramento.
Uh-oh.
Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near after around 4:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Butte City and Codora around 4:55 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning issued for the same area. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following counties in California: Butte, Colusa, and Glenn.